Hello guys, welcome back to Extend Video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on WhatsApp separate screen. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your WhatsApp, and from here what you need to do is scroll up with three fingers, and after that open any one second apps. You guys can see WhatsApp separate screen. If you rotate up and down, Facebook up and WhatsApp down, then tap on subset. You guys can see. If the method doesn't work, then go back and scroll both app and turn off, and after that open again WhatsApp, and from here tap on corner three lines. What you need to do it, tap on three dot and tap on separate screen. You guys can see, and open again second app. You guys can see. If you rotate up and down, tap on this and tap on up and down, rotate. If the method doesn't work, then go back and close both app and open your setting, and from here you scroll down and tap on special features, tap on this, and from here you tap on separate screen. You guys can see separate screen option. If the toggle turn off separate screen option, then what you need to do is turn on. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.